The blinking green light on your Xfinity box typically indicates it's booting up, attempting to sync with the network, or requires a reboot. This is common with X1 DVR, Flex streaming boxes, and XI6 TV boxes. A brief blink, lasting 1 to 5 minutes during startup, is normal as the box syncs for channel guides and app data. However, a persistent blink suggests a problem connecting to your home network or Xfinity's servers, potentially due to weak Wi-Fi, outdated firmware, or signal issues. Xfinity reports that most blinking light problems are fixable through troubleshooting without needing a technician. If you're having issues after the initial sync, there may be a bigger issue, and you should contact Xfinity support. To troubleshoot a persistent blinking green light on your Xfinity box, start with a simple reboot. Unplug the Xfinity box from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to clear temporary glitches. Next, check all cable connections, including coaxial and HDMI, to ensure they are secure. For signal strength issues, access the diagnostic menu on your box and aim for a signal strength greater than -10 dBm in VIR. Try resetting the box by holding the power button on the box for 10 seconds. If the problem persists, use the Xfinity app to remotely reset the box. Contact Xfinity support for hardware failure or outages. Ensure the box is ventilated and has the latest software update.